Okay, we have a HAAS TL-1 CNC tool room lathe. This machine was new in 2015 and it is running. It has the HAAS CNC control. It has an 8-inch 3-draw chuck on it and a Dorian quick change tool post. We are running right now at 1200 RPM. This is original paint. As you can see, it is super clean, came out of a school. 1600 RPM. 500. All right. Machine is equipped also with the tailstock, and you have a live center in the tailstock. He is moving the Z-axis now. And the X. Both axes are super quiet. It's moving the tailstock and the quill of the tailstock. The quill of the tailstock is number 5 Morse taper.